teleserye. Kaya ito ang question ko for you, sabi dito. Kung isa kang bulaklak, hindi. Kung isang bulaklak ang kalagayan ng puso mo ngayon, anong flower ito at bakit?
Damang-dama ang love ngayong afternoon.
Hindi ko yan tanong, ha? O, Janine, gusto mo yung papel? Basahin mo.
Grabe pang Miss Universe! Di lavender na rin. Kasi, pero hindi talaga lavender, sorry.
Hindi talaga lavender.
Tinry kong ipasok, pero hindi. Siguro sunflower.
Why?
Kasi nakakita na ng liwanag.
Oh my God.
Mic drop.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
May gusto bang sumagot?
Blush talaga siya.
Yun naka-bull
Salamat
cup.
po sa pagpunta niyo dito. Mauna na po ako sa atin.
Okay, next question.
MJ, pagbigyan mo ulit ako. Jericho, iba ka today. Saan ang gagaling kakaibang saya?
Hindi, ito ang magandang tanong kay Eko. Anong favorite flower mo, Eko?
Sige, dalawang iyon.
Sunflower po. Kasi po gusto ko siya sininiron.
Saan ang gagaling kakaibang saya? Sobra ka nag-share ng sobra na we never saw you this before. Pero ngayon, ang saya-saya ng mo, Echo.
Sorry, may press con pala. Ano po yan?
Saan ang gagaling kakaibang saya mo ngayong araw? Ngayon, of late, from the junket.
Ako ba, Eric?
Hindi, siya. Yung camera mo.
Miss Kylie nakatingin sa akin. I'm just really very happy. On the professional side, I'm so happy to be with these guys, like right now. My team is here, they're so happy for me, and I love them. Hey. But on the personal side, all of these people that I work with love her.
Oh my God, ulit!
So, it just feels light, you know what I mean? Everything just feels light, if you know what I mean.
Yes.
So, we're professionals on set. We can joke about it off screen, but when we step there, so it's just like there's a really good balance.
Pag tumama ng araw sa siya.
Echo, just stay happy. We're so happy for you, I swear. Okay, MJ, ituloy mo na.
Eto, kay Jody Santa Maria pa rin, mula kay JF Certified Kapamilya. Without spoiling anything, kanino mo masasabing mas nakaka-relate ka? Kay Jasmine or kay Lavender Fields?
Pareho kasi sila eh. Yung kay Jasmine kasi yung pagiging positibo niya sa buhay. Siya yung tipong karakter na parang walang masamang tinapay sa kanya. Kung makikita mo siya doon sa panahon ng buhay niya, prior niya nakilala si Arthur. Ano lang siya, parang masayahing tao. Simple. Si Lavender naman, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya, I guess. Siguro, kasi syempre paglalaban mo naman din talaga kung para sa'yo, hindi ba? I think, hindi lang ako pero yung audience, pag napanood nila si Jasmine or si Lavender, I'm sure mahahanap nila yung sarili nila sa kanilang parehong character or makaka-relate sila. Yon.
Alright. And that's it, Kuya AJ. Yun na yung mga questions.
Actually, we can entertain two more. Hindi kompleto ang press con without a question from Alwin Ignacio. Is Alwin here still?
Alwin is here.
Before, for the last question, si Franz Horda. Alwin, miss kita. Ayan. Another intelligent question. Mahusay to. Talagang pressure ko siya dun sa mahusay ito.
For the directors, for Director Jojo and the Director Manny, as you said earlier, ang dami-dami ng mga revenge movie, and you keep on telling us that it's totally different from what has been offered before. So I'm just wondering, bakit nyo gustong paniwalaan kaming lahat na ibang-iba talaga ang Lavender Fields?
Kasi iba talaga siya. No. As they say, di ba, nothing is original anymore. So whenever we conceptualize stories for or narratives with the creative. Nag-iisip kami na although it would follow the narrative would follow the same formula, nag-infuse kami ng mga bagong elements. The element of revenge is very much present in the narrative, in that we don't deny. But how we presented the characterization are different. All these characters are gray, no one is white. Even yung mga like Janine, no? She's playing a very negative role here. Pero maintindihan mo why she's going through that process of hurting people in the story, no? Tapos siguro first time din namin magpapakita na mga babae doing fight scenes, action sequences. Okay, imagine the wife, the legal wife, and the mistress, instead na nagsasampalan they do mixed martial arts, no? And mahawak ng barel, no? And these are women who are very empowered. Okay. Maraming pagkakaiba. I hope you discovered yung mga elements that were infused in the narrative as you watch it every night. And hopefully, makita na, yes, it's still the revenge story that we don't deny, but may mga bago tayong makikita dun sa kwento.
Ang galing ng explanation. Imbis na sa sampalan, nag-action scenes yung dalawang babae over a guy.
Okay.
Direct Jojo would like to add to that.
In addition, lahat ng characters kasi merong twist. Hindi lang isa yung for revenge. Lahat sila nagpapanggap. Kaya from yung plug, yung concept ng plug is lahat may maskara. So lahat sila merong kanya-kanyang pagtatago in order to find the real truth.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. MJ, I think we can no longer accommodate. Franz, Mara, I think medyo lang, we need to wrap this up because limited time. You may now...
No, let's ask the lead cast.
Yeah.
Yes, Jericho.
No. It's a question that's always that always keeps popping up. Why are we gonna watch this? Why are we gonna watch that? Why are we gonna watch this? Why are we gonna watch that? Why are we gonna watch this? Pinoy thought ko lang. But look, the fact that you guys are all here in the cinema and you watch this with us, and hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. This is cinema quality kind of entertainment. We're bringing it to your homes via Netflix and all of these stations, A to Z, Kapamilya, and everything. I'm very, very proud of the team, especially Jody, Janine, Sir Albert, Sir Edu. Sayang wala sila dito. Because what we bring out here in the show for every character is truth. If you're saying, napanood na namin yung Higante, napanood na namin yung ganyan, we have been playing characters for a very, very long time. We've been playing with these emotions for a very long time. And we proudly offer the truth in every character here sa show namin. That's why it's very refreshing to watch. Yun lang po.
Yeah, and on that note, let's ask Jolens, why should we watch Lavender Fields?